Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be doing a little review on the new J.Cat Aquasurance Compact Foundation. This is a powder foundation. I have never used one before, but I've seen a lot of reviews on this. So I picked it up at Ulta and I figured I'd try it out for you guys. So if you'd like to see how this goes on, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and just prime my face with my Smashbox primerizer. I'm almost out of this, as you can see. I have gone through so many of these, especially in the summer. It's such a great primer. Alright, so I have that on. And I'm also going to go in with this E.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have never used this, but I have seen like everyone rave about it on YouTube, and I know Jeffree Star did a review on it and it literally sold out like within minutes. So this is supposed to be like a pore minimizing primer. It's like a dupe for like the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. It feels really good on the skin. So I'm just putting it where like I have texture and where my pores are. I get texture like right over here, like up my cheeks where I put my highlighter. And then of course I have larger pores on my nose. I think I did too much, but we will see. Let's see how that looks up close. Oh wow.
Wow. Wow.
That looks really good and it's really smooth too. Really nice. Okay guys, so since this is a powder foundation, I don't want to put my highlight on top of the powder or my concealer on top of the powder. So I'm going to go ahead and put my concealer on now. Taking my E.l.f. concealer. Gonna a little bit there and go ahead and blend it out. I've seen like good and bad reviews on this, so I'm really curious to see what the outcome is for me. And my skin is combination, so if you have dry skin, I'm not sure powder foundation would be great for you. But I'm gonna give it a go. This is really bright. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So I'm gonna read a little bit about this. It says it's a finely milled, luxurious, silky texture that minimizes appearance of pores. It also says it absorbs and balance excess oil without creasing and looking cakey. Provides medium to full coverage for a naturally flawless complexion. Innovative technology with water lock system to maintain moisture with the powder. So I will tell you, online they have a really crappy shade selection. I think there's only like 13 shades maybe. And I got the shade Natural. What I have seen is that it oxidizes. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but this is the shade. Looks okay. It has a little mirror inside. And then it also comes with this little sponge. Now I did use this already because I just wanted to see if it matched. It looked like it was okay. But let's go ahead and test it out. I want to feel it. Oh, it feels really soft. Again, like I said, I've never used a powder foundation before, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go, what to expect. But I have seen reviews and everyone always says like their concealer before. So let's give it a swipe. Oh wow. That is definitely full coverage right there, with just one swipe. Wow. That's pretty good match, I think. Going with some more. It honestly doesn't even feel like I'm putting anything on. Oh wow, that covered that up really nice. I have seen this compared to like the Makeup Forever powder that came out, but this is a lot more affordable. It's actually looking really good. I don't know if this sponge is my favorite though. I know I saw Tati Westbrook use this, but she used like a velour puff or something, and she said she liked that better. I don't have that, so I'm just using what this came with. I still see some like redness peeking through, like right over here, but for the most part, it's a pretty good coverage, and it doesn't feel like you're putting anything on your face like at all. Like I don't feel like I have anything on my face. See how pigmented that is? Like, can you tell? It's definitely covering for sure. Now I don't know if it's the e.l.f. primer or this, but my pores do look not as visible as they usually do, which is good. I will also say if you try to go over it with more powder, it kind of takes it off. Like it's coming off my nose when I went over with more. Let's see if I can fix it. Oh, there we go. But I still have redness over here peeking through, and every time I try to cover it up, it doesn't. I don't think you can really build on top of it. Okay, so that's what we have going. It did a pretty decent job with covering stuff. I mean, I do like my liquid foundations better, but I honestly like can't even tell I have anything on my skin at all. I don't know if you're supposed to set this. I don't think so since it is a powder. But I'm gonna go ahead and just finish off the rest of my face really quick. And I'm gonna be really careful because I don't wanna slide anything off. But I'm just gonna take some powder bronzer, warm up my face just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this bright blush from Physicians Formula. It's like this rosy pink blush, kind of matches my little panda shirt. Not really, but a little bit. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of highlighter on there. I'm just making sure that I'm just putting powder products on top of the powder. I don't really want to put cream products on top of powder. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just pop my lower lash line mascara on, because I didn't do that. I don't like to do any of that until after I have my foundation finished, because when I like drag stuff under my eye, I always mess up my mascara if it's on beforehand. Okay guys, so actually the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I got this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set spray. I've never used it, so I'm gonna check the spray first. Oh. Okay, that's a pretty intense spray, so I'm actually gonna hold it pretty far away. Didn't really give me any water droplets, which is good. I hate using sprays that you spritz it on your face and you get like a big water droplet on there and it ruins it. All right, you guys, so here's the finished look of the face. I honestly, first impressions, I do like this, and I'm surprised that the shade matched as well as it did. I was really worried because I bought it online, which I typically never do. I never buy face, like foundation products online just because I usually have really bad luck matching myself. But this is a pretty good match, honestly. So yeah, I like it. I'm going to continue to test it out. But final thoughts are, I think it's pretty good. Feels extremely lightweight. Coverage is medium. It's hard to build just because I feel like you kind of take away when you put more on. But I think it looks awesome. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you would, just go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up another video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at my next video.